Today, we're going to install a set of refreshed E-Edition underbody ambient lights. These are all the accessories. Pre-installation preparations. Raise the vehicle before installation. Clean the area where the light strip will be installed with a damp cloth. Install LED strip lights. Before installation, apply an adhesive primer to the clean surface. First, compare the locations. Next, peel off the 3M adhesive backing from the light strip. Align it with the desired position. And stick it in place. The light strip at the rear of the car works the same way. The same method is used to install the light strips on both sides. Wiring for the left light strip. Insert the lead wire through this opening. Pull it out from the other end. Tie the loose end of the cord under the left door of the car to the tow rope. Then pull the other end of the lead-in wire out. Remove the clip. Unwind the tow rope. Male to female connector. Place the connector inside the cover plate. Remove the screws from the bottom panel. Place the wire into the base plate. Reinstall the screws. Wiring for the right side light strip. Remove the screws from the bottom panel. Place the wire into the base plate. Pull the wire through the bottom panel. Remove the clip. Unscrew the screw. Insert the lead wire through this opening. Pull it out from the other end. Tie the loose end of the cord under the left door of the car to the tow rope. Then pull the other end of the lead-in wire out. Peel off the tape and reconnect it. Place the connector inside the cover plate. Fasten the buckle. Tighten the screw. Reinstall the screws. Remove the rear chassis. Remove all the screws from the bottom panel. Remove the bottom panel. Remove the clips on both sides. Remove the screw at the very end. Wiring for the rear underbody light strip. Pry out the latch. Route the wire through the bottom trim panel. Tighten the screw. Align with the side light strip and insert into the base plate. Tighten the screws and secure the wire to the metal frame. On the other side, the wire is fed into the base plate using the same method. Tighten the screw. Align with the side light strip and insert into the base plate. Tighten the screws and secure the wire to the metal frame. Restored rear chassis. Insert the base plate into the corresponding latch. First, secure one screw by hand. Next, tighten the screws in each location one by one to secure them. Removing the trunk felt trim. Lower the car. Remove the trunk lid. Remove the trunk sill trim. Remove the clip. Remove the felt covers on both sides. Take out the trunk. Remove the card slot. Remove the felt trim panel on one side of the cigarette lighter. Connect the power cord. Feed the pull cord through the hole next to the door lock. Plug it into the cigarette lighter socket. Connect the other end of the cigarette lighter power cord to the lead wire. Pull it out from under the license plate cover. First, connect one end of the white control module to the two connectors on the light strip. Untie the tow rope. Strip the insulation from the black and red wires of the power cord to expose the copper wires inside. Connect the black and red wires from the power cord to the corresponding black and red wires on the controller. Secure them with electrical tape. And connect the white wire to the controller. Bundle all the excess wiring together and place it in the rear. Restore the trunk. Finally, simply reassemble all the parts of the trunk. Secure the light strip connector with screws, and the installation is complete.